To sync contacts to Samsung account in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accounts and pick up. Select accounts and pick up. Tap accounts. Select your Samsung account. And then tap more icon or 3-dot icon. Tap sync settings. To sync contacts to Samsung account, tap contact switch until blue, or to disable or unsync, tap switch until white. If you enable contacts to sync Samsung account, contact data will be automatically synced with Samsung Cloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.